Seniors, former Kumasi Asante Kotoko player one here Asembeto no. Sasamates decide so me pull it trigger no on him Asembeto no. A player being asem na making player maker no wase me on the screen so no or koko no say yellow jersey. Yes, na player or J cap with Samates. And then wako sign yama club ya Samates for ne se omunya awe na mede mu nchechemu no bebro ba screen no so no ogum oko training grounds no with Kotoko new players no Yakub Xmart entry yes ene Elvis Cheba for ena na omoda screen no so no ahanso old players no ena na ochiachi omo no ogum eno no we ye enra oko training grounds ena oni players no ekoye sa enhyiamu no. Yes, let's say Elvis Cheba for deal nadia. It is almost done deal afa ewie yanka ne yenhye so. Now, unim de bia me ka asemu me senior citizens e wa ne mba adwen. Agent for no mislead some of the players. Samates player friend no Emmanuel Kayeke wakọ sign ama club bi a ewo my story no wa ha Sindinga Black Stars. But Samates for ne say omunim ho hwe. Into Samates decide currently as we speak Samates for say Kayeke contract ni bewu 29th July ending but wako sign contract a washa ase bobo we no omone Sikafa Kagame Cup na obo no prior to this game no abo game bi exhibition game into we the second game a obo meanwhile Samates officially releasing him Sindinga Black Stars for no. And they say no Samates decided some report to club na reported player na Emmanuel Kayeke na so be but agent for no and lead no amana koye side way and obo without the nyoma being certified and authorized. Ghana